let's see what is the climate. The average weather pattern taken over a long time. I told you weather within the short period of time weather will be changed. Not like a climate. So it's not. So average weather pattern can be taken over a long time, 25 years. It's called the climate of the place. For example, if we find that the temperature at the place is very high, most of the time, for example, I'll take in India, Rajasthan, most of the times the temperature is so hot, daytime. Yes, no? Then we say that the climate of that place is so hot place is there. So next, if there is also heavy rainfall on most of the day in the same place, then we say that the climate of the place is hot and wet. We already learned in India the Cherrapunji, in Meghalaya, Cherrapunji place is the highest rainfall. The continuous rain is happening. We will see the rain. So that climate, according to their weather conditions for a long period of time, we will say the climatic conditions of the place. Let's define what is climate once again. The average weather pattern taken over a long period, say 25 years, is called the climate of the place. Okay, children, next I will show you the map of India. Then we will learn in each state what is the climatic conditions are there. So let's briefly, with the diagrammatic explanation, we'll go. See children, by looking the map, we want to find out the different in India, different states, different climate, average weather pattern for a long period of the time we are going to discuss. You can see in the picture top, that blue color, that part is coming, and the Jammu and Kashmir. What is the weather conditions there? You know already in the Jammu and Kashmir is so extremely cold area. Yes, no children, when compared to in India only different climates are there. Different weathers are there, different according to that. So in Jammu and Kashmir is very cold, and coming to there, you can see the circle part, that area is very heavy rainfall is there. And coming to the next, coming to here, very dry Rajasthan area and all very dry. In India already, in Jammu Kashmir very cold, in this part very rainfall, and in Rajasthan area very, then in the coastal area you can see the coastal area, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and all very moderate climate, we can say moderate climate weather condition will be. So I hope you clear that in India only the varieties of the climate weather conditions we can see in India in the different states. When similar data for the western region of India, for example Rajasthan, we told it is very dry climate, will show that the temperature is very high during the most part of the year. But during the winter, which lasts only for few months, the temperature is quite low. The region receives very little rainfall. This is a typical desert climate. It's hot and dry. Then when moving to the northeastern India, receives the rain for the major part of the year. Therefore, we can say the climate in the northeast is wet. So you understood, I hope you understood that in the different, in India only different, each states have the different climatic conditions. Some of them have dry, some of them have the very high rainfall, some areas are very cold region, extremely cold regions are there in the polar region. So these are the conditions of the weather conditions, average weather pattern for the long period of time. In the blue color, Jammu Kashmir is very cold. This means it's coming to the North Pole. Means the pole region. Polar regions are very extremely cold. When come to the coastal areas, is a moderate climate we can see. When coming to the reddish red color, that map you can see that is a very dry climate, and that much rainfall and all is not there. When coming to the right side corner here, very heavy rainfall we can see. In India also, we learned already the heavy rainfall in India is Cherrapunji. Then you can see the, you can zoom this picture and you can see the children, the color base, they are given the climatic conditions also. Okay, so you can zoom it and see that. So the climate weather is different according to their state wise. So some of them have heavy rainfall, some of them are moderate climate, some of them are very dry and hot, some of them are very cold. When Himalayan regions and compared to the Himalayans and Kerala, that's a climate totally different is there in the long period of, if you are talking about summer season also, in some way very hot will be there, hot, but in summer some areas it will be moderate. So according to the weather, it is changes to the season, according to the season also. I hope you clear the climatic conditions of the climatic conditions of India. Different climatic conditions of India through the India map we discussed. So now next we are moving to the next topic, adaptation of the animals. I told you that polar region and tropical rainforest. In the tropical region, if you are taking the picture of Earth, so here the poles, here the poles, here the sun. So sun directly is, this part is called equator part. Equator part, the direct sun rays are falling. So mostly this part will be so hot, this part will be cold. And you know one more thing, that in 6 months here, no sunset. 6 months here, no sunrise also is not there. So let's see what are the climate, what are the adaptation animals are taking in polar region, which are the animals are living in polar region, which are the animals are living in tropical rainforest, and what are the characteristics of them to adapt to their environment. Let's see, animals are adapted to survive in the condition in which they live. Animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess some special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or hot. Yes, my children. If you, as a human beings, you also, if the winter season will start, you will wear the blankets to protect yourself. You will, instead of so cold, if this means you will wear 2 or 3 blankets. If it is so hot in the summer time, you will sit under the fan or air cooler, you will sit there. You will not, same way the protect the features are being here also. Animals also have some special features to protect themselves from the heat and cold. So let's see the features and habits that help animals to adapt to their surroundings. So polar regions are situated near the poles north and south pole. You know, the polar regions are situated at the north pole and the south poles. North pole and the south pole. So the sun rays are not falling directly to them. Directly the sun rays falling on the equator region. That is a tropical region, we can say. So well-known countries belongs to the polar region. We know what are the countries will come under the polar region. When you go to the polar regions, which are the countries coming? Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Switzerland, Finland, Alaska in USA, Siberian region of Russia. These are the countries are popular. We'll see in the polar region. These are the countries. These countries are covered with the totally covered with the snow. If you take the picture or in the Google, if you find out the picture or video, you can want to see the Canada. What is the climatic condition of Greenland, Iceland, Norway? You can see mostly all the time. Most of the time it is covered with the snow. So let's see. The tropical rainforests are found in India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, Nigeria. These are the countries we will see in the tropical rainforest. Let's see what is the climatic condition of tropical rainforest. Let's see later. Now we are talking about briefly about the polar regions now. So now what are the climatic conditions in the polar region? Let's see now. Covered with the snow. I told you almost all the year it's covered with the snow. And in winter season will start, means the temperature will be very low. It comes to be at -37 degrees Celsius. Let's see the condition, children. So animals living there have adapted to these severe conditions. So some features will be there. The animals are living there. We cannot go there and survive for 6 months or 7 months. It is impossible for us. So if you leave this, what are the animals are staying here? Like the pet dogs. If you take your pet dog also, you leave there. It's not possible to survive for a 1 or 2. It will survive for 1 or 2 weeks to take care. More than that is not possible at all. So what's some adaptation to adapt themselves in their polar region? They have some the features. Let's see the features what are there. So animals living there have adapted to these severe conditions. Let's see how they are adapt by considering we are taking the two examples, polar bear and penguin. These are famous familiar animals we seen in the polar region. You already know polar bear. Why we are giving the bear? It's a white color. Fur is white, mostly pure white. So it's polar. It's seen in the polar region. That's why we given the name polar bears. And penguin. You know the flying penguin is very sweet to see also. Yes, no? So it fly at inside the water. See? Next, we are going to learn what are the specific features they have. What and all they have? Specific features to adapt themselves in the polar region. Okay, children. The children will see the what are the adaptation of the features of adaptation of polar bear. So thick fur. Fur means hair. Thick hair they have on the body and white in color. Their snow is white in color. Their body also white in color. So they are easily not visible in the white background. For example, you are standing inside the dark room. They are not, others cannot visible you. Same way here, the background is already the white, then their body also white, so that can protect themselves from their enemies. They also help them in the catching their prey. And fat layer under the skin, fatty they have, that's why they regulate the heat, insulation is happening, insulation. So wide and large paws walk on snow. It is helping them to walk on the snow. If you are going to walk on the polar region, it's so difficult to walk on them. So they have the specific features to walk on snow. So strong ability to smell and small ears. They have very small ears and sharp teeth. These are the specific features polar bear have. I'll show with the diagrammatic explanation. I'll give you, children, so you can clearly see the how the polar bear is. Next, going to the adaptation of penguin. And thick fatty skin, same way, this is also white in color. The same features is similar for penguin and polar bear. Means the background will be same, white color. They are escape from their enemies. They are white, and this only the difference are there. Polar bears will not stay in groups, but the penguin will stay in the groups only. They have the webbed feet to walk, to swim in the water, and streamlined body. You have already learned the fish have the streamlined body, that's helping them to the swim in water, and they are helping the features of swimming water is webbed feet and streamlined body. And one more specific features, they can fly under the water. They can fly under the water. These are the specific features of penguin. Let's see the diagrammatic explanation of both. Large ears, they are big in size, but they have very small eye. God given very small eye. Why they are given very small eye? They don't want to see their huge body maybe. That time. So adaptation of beard ape. The good climber, they are very good climber, lightweight, long tail and small in size. Next, adaptation of monkey similar to the beard ape. They are prehensile tail, means they have very long tail. The tail will act as the third hand. You noticed already on your areas and monkeys are there. They will first tail, they will round up in the branch of the tree, then they will climb up. Then possible thumb they have, and good climbers, they will live in the groups. They want to live in groups. Why? Means they want to adapt themselves from their enemies. So the groups means easy to them. So adaptation of red-eyed frog. You are familiar with this word, camouflage, this color changing animal. Same way, this frog also, they have the ability to change the color and the adaptation to the according to the background of their environment. Beautiful colors, suction cup on toes. That's the adaptation features. They have the red-eyed frog. Next, coming to the adaptation of lion and tiger. They have thick skin, strong sense of hearing, and long hind limbs, staring tails in cheetah. Cheetah is a very fastest animal. So these are the adaptation of animals staying in the tropical rainforest. So I am coming to the end of the chapter, children. So what we quick recap we will do, whatever we learned in this chapter. Firstly, learn about the weather. Within the short period, the weather will be changed. So next we learned about the what are the elements of the weather and what are the thermometer we use to measure the temperature, maximum and minimum thermometer, and we learned about the structure of the thermometer. Then we learned how we want to measure the rainfall. What is the rainfall? We are using the instrument called rain gauge, that the structure and how we are measuring the rainfall, that also we learned. Next, coming to the climate and the climatic condition of India state-wise. Next, we learned in the rainforest and polar region what are the animals and which are the places we are seeing in the which are the places we found in polar region, and what are the animals, what are the adaptation features they have to adapt themselves in the both the region. So thank you, children. Thank you so much.